You bought a mirror to make your bedroom feel bigger, but somehow the room still feels cramped, still feels off. What if the mirror isn't helping? What if it's actually the problem? Today we're talking about 5 mirror mistakes most people never catch. The problem isn't the mirror itself, it's the decisions around it, size, angle, quantity. And most of us were never taught any of it. Let's fix that. A mirror only amplifies what it reflects. Put it across from a window and it doubles your natural light. Put it across from a blank wall and it doubles the blank wall. Placement first, everything else second. An oversized mirror on the wrong wall makes a small room feel like not a bedroom. Scale matters. Rights up, not the biggest size available. Multiple mirrors without a plan create visual noise. Your eye doesn't know where to land. One mirror in the right spot does more than 4 mirrors placed without intention. A frameless mirror in a warm bedroom reads clinical. The frame connects the mirror. Choose the frame like you'd choose furniture, not as an afterthought. A well-placed mirror is one of the cheapest ways to create a focal point in a bedroom. It draws the eye. It anchors a corner. If this is making sense so far, stick around. Because what's coming next is the part most decorating guides skip entirely. And it's the reason some bedrooms feel like a retreat and others just feel like a room. The most effective mirrors in any bedroom are reflecting something beautiful. A window, a lamp, a plant, a piece of art on the opposite wall. Before you hang a mirror, stand where it will go and look at what it will show. Mirrors don't create atmosphere, they borrow it. 3 things you can do this week. There, just a little bit higher. Perfect, it looks great right there. What do you think about hanging the next one here? I really think it would complete the whole look. It is definitely the right spot for it. Try leaning instead of hanging. A full-length mirror leaned against a wall feels relaxed until it's exactly right before you commit. Before hanging anything, hold the mirror up and look at the reflection. Is it showing something worth seeing? If yes, hang it. A mirror that works with your room doesn't just make it look bigger, it makes it feel more considered, more intentional, no fluff. See you next one. If this helped, subscribe. New video every week. Practical home ideas, no fluff. See you next one.